Alright, got the fender switched over and we're going to be putting these bark busters on. So first thing you want to do, just cut the ends of your grips off. Nice and flush, sort of flush. Then we're going to have to drill this out for the clamp to fit inside the handlebars. So do that to both sides. This side,
you have to drill this side out.
No, this side doesn't have the
throttle
plastic
tube. Oh, I almost made it.
This is my favorite.
Alright, well my moves are right here, so, you know. But, alright, so this is your bar clamp for the inner bar. It's got 5mm Allens right here. You take those off. Some of these newer ones come with adapters to go down to 7/8 because this is set up for fat bars right now. So you take this, you bring it over the bike, and you go, oop, I just dropped a piece. But you set it like this, the hook side up, catches your cables and everything. Oh, you got it right there.
Hey Cameron. YouTube live. Hey Karina.
Did you get my permission?
Then you put that right there.
What?
We're YouTubing.
You guys are so dumb.
Stop here.
We're trying. Sometimes they don't go very well.
Oh, you put both black ones, even the one I cut?
Yeah.
You sure?
Put that right there. Get it set. That's how you get that set on there. There's another part to it.
What do you do?
Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye, you have a beautiful time.
Beautiful time. You're normally not supposed to use impacts. But
You know what, Ian? One day all these bikes will be running.
one day. Get that on there. Don't get it too tight so you can still move it around.
Make sure when you put that clamp on, don't pinch any of your lines or anything. So, yeah. But we got this here.
Doohickey here that goes, and the bar hole right here.
Let's show them how it works quick. When you tighten that up, it spreads. Here, tighten that up quick.
Yeah. Let me set this down.
But long story short, heel tighten it here quick. Oh. When it tightens, it spreads it out like that on that taper, and it clamps inside the bar there. Simple enough.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now you stick the hole, you stick the ding dong in the female end. Get it set in there, so it's sitting. Then you grab your other bolt, which I'm gonna probably have to move this lever because it's jamming up. Line those two up. Oop. One opportunity. Sees everything you wanted. It's a lot harder than it looks sometimes, guys.
Palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already.
My spaghetti! Get that set
There you
in
got
there.
it started.
Got it. Sent it. Now what you do is tighten this end up. And it usually sticks. But since I have to move the lever, get that like that. Tighten this one up. And there you go. Got your bar set. It's not on 100% yet.
Yeah, we're
so.
gonna have to do something about this lever here because let's see if we close it. It's just throw a different lever on that and then tighten that up. Make sure everything's snug. And you have your bark busters on. It's pretty simple and it saves your fingers.